Introducing the 2018 Hyundai Sonata. This four-door, five-passenger sedan provides a satisfying ride for all passengers. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, air conditioning, blind spot sensor, and one-touch window functionality. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 6 well-positioned speakers. Hyundai also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Stop in and take a test drive.